Have you ever wondered how you can make online payments without a bank account or credit card? Or maybe you're looking for a super secure way to pay for things online without sharing your personal financial details. Well, the answer might just be Paysafe. In a world where digital transactions are the norm, Paysafe stands out as a global leader in online payment solutions. But what exactly is it and how does it all work? Let's dive in. At its core, Paysafe is a payment platform that connects businesses and consumers through a wide range of online payment methods. Think of it as a central hub for digital money. It's not just one thing, it's a family of solutions designed to make online transactions simple, safe, and seamless. The most well-known product under the Paysafe umbrella is likely Paysafe Card. This is a prepaid online payment method based on vouchers. You can buy these vouchers with a specific cash value at thousands of retail locations like convenience stores, gas stations, and supermarkets. Each voucher has a unique 16-digit PIN. So, how does it work? It's straightforward. Let's say you want to buy something from an online store that accepts Paysafe Card. Instead of entering your credit card details, you simply select Paysafe Card as your payment method and enter that 16-digit PIN from your voucher. The value of the purchase is then deducted from the voucher's balance. It's like using cash online. What makes this so popular? First, privacy. You don't need to provide any personal or financial information to make a payment. It's completely anonymous. Second, security. Since you're not sharing your bank or credit card details, you're not at risk of them being intercepted. And third, it's a great tool for managing your spending, as you can only spend the amount you've preloaded onto the card. But Paysafe is much more than just Paysafe Card. The company also offers digital wallets like Skrill and Neteller, which allow you to store, send, and receive money globally. They even provide payment processing services for businesses, helping them accept a variety of payment types from customers all over the world. So whether you're a gamer, an online shopper, or a business owner, Paysafe offers a secure and flexible way to handle your digital transactions. It's a testament to how far online payments have come, prioritizing user security and convenience above all else. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.